Today I'm going to be showing you how to feed a pet in a Widgetable app. Feeding a pet in a Widgetable application is a pretty easy thing, so let's get started. Open your Widgetable application in your mobile, then click on the pet option, then click on the pet which you want to feed. Now choose any food item which is available in your food items list and click on that food item, and as you can see the pet is automatically feeding. In this way you can easily feed your pet in Widgetable application. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below.